Meaning of immaculately.
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 Immaculately. The word immaculately means without any flaws or blemishes, and often refers to things that are extremely clean, tidy, or well-groomed. Something that is done immaculately is characterized by precision, perfection, and meticulous attention to detail. An immaculate performance, for instance, might be free from errors or missteps, while an immaculate garden might be one that is unspoiled by weeds or debris. Whatever the context, the term immaculately implies a standard of excellence that is difficult to achieve but highly desirable, inspiring admiration and respect from those who encounter it.